Hello dear students, today we will see the logical equivalence by using truth table. Question number 2 in exercise 1.2, prove the following logical equivalences. First one, P by conditional Q is logically equivalent, negation in bracket P or Q and negation in bracket P and Q. By using truth table we have to do it, truth table. Now first column is P, second column is Q, third column is P by conditional Q. This is LHS. Fourth column is P or Q. Fifth column is P and Q. Next one is negation P and Q. Then the complete pattern P or Q and negation P and Q. And last one, now this is column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is negation column number 7. Okay, LHS is in column number 3. And RHS is column number 8. We have to show that these two columns are identical. Then we can say that they are logically equivalent. Now here are the two statements P and Q. So there are four possibilities. Possibilities are fixed, true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. In the third column P by conditional Q. What is the requirement for the last connective if and only if? Requirement for the last connective if and only if is both the statements are true or both the statements are false, then their biconditional is true. It means they have identical truth values, then their biconditional is true. Now see, this condition is satisfied in the first case as well as in the last case. First is true, last is true. Remaining twos are false. Now see column number 4. In column number 4, P or Q, in between P and Q, connective is OR. What is the requirement for the connective OR? Requirement for the second connective OR is both the statements are false, then their disjunction is false, and all the remaining cases it is true. Now see whether this condition is satisfied with P and Q. Here in the last case both are false, therefore their disjunction is false, and remaining cases it is true. T, T. Next column number 5, that is P and Q. This is the first connective AND. What is the requirement for the first connective AND? If P is true as well as Q is true, then the conjunction P and Q is true. It means the required condition is T, T, T. Both are true, then the conjunction is true. Now this condition is satisfied in the first case, then remaining are false. Next column is negation of 5. Here is true, its negation is false. Here is false, its negation is true. Here is true, its negation is false. Here is false, its negation is true. Here is false, its negation is true. This is also true. Next column, column number 7. P or Q and negation P and Q. P or Q in column number 4. Negation P and Q in column number 6. In column number 4 and 6, in between them connective is AND. Requirement for the connective AND is both are true, then their conjunction is true. Now see, in the second case this condition is satisfied. This is true. Here is also true. Remaining are false. Column number 7. It is the negation of column number 7. This is column number 8. Write down its negation. Here is false, negation is true. Here is true, negation is false. Here is true, negation is false. Now observe LHS in column number 3 and RHS in column number 8. Now see, if they have identical truth values, then they are logically equivalent. C, T, T, F, 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 T, T. Columns 3 and 8 are identical. Columns 3 and 8 are identical. Hence, P by conditional Q is logically equivalent negation. P or Q and negation P and Q. This is the required truth by using truth table. Now see the second one. P conditional Q conditional R. P conditional Q and R is logically equivalent. P conditional Q and P conditional R. Now here are the three statements P, Q, R. By using truth table we will prove it. Okay, now take screenshot. We take the second one. Okay, now truth table. Okay, first three columns P, Q, R. P, Q, R. Next column is Q and R. Then LHS P conditional Q and R. Next column is P conditional Q. Then P conditional R. And then complete RHS P conditional Q and P conditional R. Now see, these are the column numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 columns. LHS is in column number 5 and RHS is in column number 8. We have to show that columns 5 and 8 are identical. Okay, now P, Q, R, there are 3 statements. Therefore, there are 8 possibilities. How we can write the 8 possibilities? First write down TT 2 times, TF 2 times, FT 2 times, and FF 2 times. Third column, write down alternate, that is T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F. Next column Q and R. Here is the connective AND. Requirement for the connective AND is both the statements are true, then the conjunction is true. It means Q and R both are true, then Q and R is true. Now see whether this condition is satisfied. Which is satisfied in the first case true. Here also true. And remaining are false. Next column is P conditional Q and R. P in column number 1, Q and R in column number 4. In column number 1 and 4, in between them connective is if then. What is the requirement for the fourth connective if then? P is true and Q and R is false, then their conditional is false. It means that first is true, second is false, then their conditional is false, and all the remaining cases it is true. Now see, P is true and this is false. This condition is satisfied in the second case. Here is also false. In the third case, this is also false. Third also, this is also false. And remaining are true. Next column, P conditional Q. Connective is same. If then, requirement is P is true and Q is false. Then P conditional Q is false. And all the remaining cases it is true. Now see P conditional Q in column 1 and 2. First true, second false. Condition is satisfied in the third case. This is false. Fourth is also false. And remaining are true. Next column P conditional R. Connective is same. If then, requirement P is true and R is false, then P conditional R is false and all the remaining cases it is true. Now see in between P and R, first true, second false. Condition is satisfied in the second case. So this is there. Also in the fourth case, this is also there. And remaining are true. Now see column number 8, P conditional Q and P conditional R. P conditional Q present in column number 6, P conditional R present in column number 7. In column number 6 and 7, connective is AND. What is the requirement for the connective AND? If both the statements are true, then their conjunction is true. T, T, T. Both are true. This is also true. Here are T. This is also true. This is also true. This is also true. And true. Now observe remaining are false. Now observe LHS is in column number 5 and RHS is in column number 8. If they are identical, then they are logically equivalent. Check whether they are identical or not. See TT, FF, 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 TT, TT, TT. It means they are logically equivalent. Columns 5 and 8 are identical. 5 and 8 are identical. Hence, P conditional Q and R is logically equivalent P conditional Q and P conditional R. Okay, if they are identical to values, then they are logically equivalent. Okay, in the similar manner, we can solve the remaining sums from the exercise.